Welcome to HD Interiors, your source for modern and timeless interior design inspiration. Discover simple ideas and smart decor solutions that transform everyday spaces into beautiful, functional homes. A kitchen is more than a functional space, it shapes how a home feels and functions every day. When design is done right, it feels effortless, supporting movement, simplifying routines, and creating a sense of calm without sacrificing style. Modern kitchen design focuses on clarity and purpose. Clean lines replace unnecessary complexity, while smart layouts ensure everything is exactly where it should be. Storage becomes intuitive, and the space works as one cohesive environment rather than separate elements. At the same time, aesthetics remain essential. Subtle textures, balanced colors, and refined finishes bring warmth and personality. The result is a kitchen that feels efficient, inviting, and naturally connected to everyday living. A well-designed kitchen always begins with the right layout. It defines how the space flows, how easily tasks are completed, and how comfortable the environment feels throughout the day. The relationship between cooking, cleaning, and storage should feel natural and uninterrupted. When these key areas are positioned thoughtfully, movement becomes smoother and more efficient, reducing unnecessary steps and effort. Open layouts create a sense of connection, allowing the kitchen to blend seamlessly with surrounding spaces. At the same time, more compact kitchens can feel just as functional when every inch is carefully planned and used with intention. Clear pathways, balanced proportions, and smart zoning all contribute to a layout that feels both practical and visually organized. When the foundation is strong, every other design element falls into place with ease. Cabinetry plays a defining role in both the look and functionality of a kitchen. It shapes the visual identity of the space while also determining how efficiently everything is stored and accessed. Modern cabinet design leans towards simplicity. Clean, flat surfaces create a streamlined appearance, allowing the space to feel open and uncluttered. Handleless options or integrated pulls enhance this effect, giving the kitchen a more seamless and refined look. Beyond appearance, functionality is carefully considered. Well-designed cabinets make use of every available inch, with smart internal solutions that keep items organized and easy to reach. Deep drawers, vertical storage, and hidden compartments help maintain order without compromising on style. The balance between form and function is what makes modern cabinetry stand out. When designed thoughtfully, cabinets do more than store, they contribute to a space that feels calm, efficient, and visually cohesive. The materials and finishes chosen for a kitchen have a lasting impact on both its appearance and performance. They define how the space looks, how it feels, and how well it holds up through daily use. Modern kitchens often combine durability with refined simplicity. Surfaces are selected not only for their visual appeal but also for their ability to resist wear, heat, and moisture. Smooth, consistent finishes create a clean and polished look, while subtle variations in texture add depth without overwhelming the design. Natural elements bring warmth and balance, softening the overall feel of the space. At the same time, engineered materials offer reliability and ease of maintenance, making them a practical choice for busy environments. A well-balanced mix of materials creates contrast while maintaining harmony. When everything works together, the kitchen feels cohesive, comfortable, and built to last. Color plays a defining role in shaping the overall mood and character of a kitchen. A timeless approach focuses on balance, restraint, and cohesion rather than trends that quickly lose relevance. Neutral tones such as whites, soft grays, beiges, and earthy shades create a calm and versatile foundation. These colors allow the space to feel open, clean, and adaptable to different design styles over time. Contrast can be introduced in subtle ways to add depth and visual interest. Darker accents, muted tones, or natural wood elements help break monotony while maintaining a refined and cohesive look. The key lies in harmony. When colors are thoughtfully combined, they enhance the architecture and materials rather than overpower them. The result is a kitchen that feels elegant, balanced, and enduring in its appeal. Lighting plays a central role in shaping the atmosphere and functionality of a kitchen. It goes beyond illumination, becoming an essential design element that defines depth, mood, and visual clarity. A well-planned lighting scheme combines multiple layers. Task lighting ensures precision in work areas, ambient lighting provides overall balance, and accent lighting highlights key design features. Together, they create a space that feels both practical and inviting. Under cabinet lighting enhances visibility while adding a subtle modern glow that emphasizes clean lines and surfaces. Pendant lights over islands or dining areas introduce a focal point, bringing character and visual interest to the space. When integrated thoughtfully, lighting enhances every material, color, and detail within the kitchen, transforming it into a more dynamic and visually engaging environment. The kitchen island has become a central element in modern kitchen design, serving far more than a single purpose. It acts as a bridge between cooking, dining, and social interaction, making the kitchen more connected and versatile. A well-designed island enhances workflow by providing additional preparation space while also improving movement around the kitchen. Its placement is carefully considered to support efficiency without disrupting the overall layout. Beyond functionality, the island often becomes a social focal point. With integrated seating, it transforms into a casual dining area or a space for conversation, making the kitchen more inviting and interactive. Smart storage solutions and built-in features further increase its practicality. From concealed compartments to integrated appliances, the island is designed to maximize utility while maintaining a clean and cohesive appearance. Modern kitchen design embraces a seamless and unified aesthetic where appliances are no longer visual interruptions but part of the overall composition. Integration allows the space to feel more refined, organized, and visually calm. Built-in appliances are carefully aligned with cabinetry to maintain consistent surfaces and uninterrupted lines. Refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers can be concealed behind matching panels, creating a cohesive look that blends naturally into the design. This approach reduces visual clutter and enhances the sense of simplicity throughout the kitchen. The focus shifts from individual elements to the overall harmony of the space, where every detail works together. When appliances are thoughtfully integrated, the kitchen achieves a cleaner and more sophisticated appearance while still maintaining full functionality and ease of use. The finishing touches in a kitchen are what bring the entire design together, adding depth, personality, and a sense of completeness. While the main structure focuses on layout, materials, and functionality, these final details shape the atmosphere and emotional feel of the space. Backsplashes are one of the most expressive elements in kitchen design. They can remain subtle and minimal to maintain a clean aesthetic, or introduce texture and contrast that gently draws the eye. Whether using stone, tile, or smooth continuous surfaces, the backsplash helps define the visual identity of the kitchen while protecting key work areas. Open shelving introduces both functionality and lightness. When used thoughtfully, it breaks up heavier cabinetry and creates visual breathing space. It also offers an opportunity to display carefully selected items, keeping the styling intentional rather than crowded. The key is balance, where practicality and decoration work together without disrupting the overall harmony. Decorative elements play a quiet but important role. Simple objects, neutral-toned accessories, and natural materials help soften the structured nature of the kitchen. Even small additions, when chosen carefully, can make the space feel more personal and lived in without compromising its clean design language. Natural accents such as plants or organic textures add warmth and freshness, creating a connection between the interior and the natural world. These elements introduce life into the space, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. When combined with restraint and purpose, these finishing details elevate the kitchen from a purely functional environment into a thoughtfully designed space that feels balanced, complete, and timeless. A modern kitchen is ultimately defined by balance between form and function, simplicity and detail, structure and comfort. Every element, from layout to lighting, works together to create a space that feels natural, efficient, and visually cohesive. When design choices are intentional, the kitchen becomes more than just a working area. It transforms into a central part of the home where movement feels effortless, storage feels intuitive, and the overall atmosphere remains calm and organized. Timeless design is never about excess. It is about clarity, harmony, and thoughtful composition. By focusing on clean lines, refined materials, and well-integrated features, any kitchen can achieve a sense of lasting relevance and everyday practicality. The result is a space that not only supports daily life but also enhances it, quietly, consistently, and beautifully. If you enjoyed these modern kitchen design ideas, explore more inspiring interiors on HD Interiors. Subscribe for more timeless design concepts that bring together style, function, and creativity for every space in your home.